Legacy New Homes, a Russell Lands approved builder, is bringing the Double Rock Lake Home design to life. Architect Mitch Ginn has done it again. This lake home is absolutely perfect and offers 2 of everything. 2 floors, 2 bedroom suites on each floor, 2 living rooms, 2 laundry rooms, 2 covered outdoor spaces, and a 2-car garage. What it doesn't have is a hard walk from the house to your dock. Call Emily or Rhonda to tour this new construction lake home in person and learn about the world-class amenities that the Ridge neighborhood has to offer.